G'day everyone, I'm Paul, owner-operator of New Age Caravans on the Gold Coast and New Age Caravans in Adelaide. I wanted to have a bit of a chat today and let you know my thoughts on the New Age product and why the New Age product has been voted top build quality in Australia. I've been involved with New Age for 10 years, and 10 years is the whole time. New Age has always been known for its outstanding quality. Nothing has changed. In fact, I would say that since Walkinshaw has taken over New Age, that's gone to the next level. Examples of that are the chassis. We show people who are engineers and very, very qualified people our chassis, and they all agree that it has been engineered well. Some people say it doesn't really look like a traditional chassis, and that's because of the engineering, testing, facilities and ability of the Walkinshaw group. If you're involved with car racing, you would remember back in the 60s when Tom Walkinshaw came out from Britain, blew everyone away at Bathurst. Walkinshaw then became an established name in Australia. Walkinshaw has been involved in engineering, building race cars. They've been building the Holden race car teams for, well, probably decades now. What they bring to the table basically is that engineering, that testing, that attention to detail on everything they do. And that's been transferred over into the building of caravans. New Age has always been the attention to detail manufacturer. When you have a look at New Age and its siliconing jobs, they are neat, they're tidy, they've been done well. Even their framework underneath, you can't see it, I can vouch for it, that it is a very well built framework. I'll give you an example. Most manufacturers would outsource their frame making. New Age was so unhappy with the quality of that, they took it in-house. Now all their frames are built in-house. All of the quality of those frames are watched, monitored and adjusted if need be. The suspensions built by Vehicle Components. Vehicle Components themselves will say that the only other company in Australia that have anywhere near the types of equipment that they do is Walkinshaw New Age. Guys, I guess what I'm saying is that if you want a product that is known for its quality, if you want a product that has the track record and has done so for over 10 years, New Age is the obvious answer. It's peace of mind. This is a long-term investment for you. You want to know that this is a van that's well built. You want to know that you're going to get the service that you deserve for the life of your caravan. Every chassis is robot welded. There's no person hand welding any part. So you're not going to get, old Jono from the factory who's been out and he's had a good night, had a few wines with his friends, come in the next morning, he's feeling a little bit tired. Robots don't do that. They don't sleep, they don't change, they don't vary in their quality. Everything just keeps going. Another great example is also their testing of caravans in simulated environment. They've got this machine called a 4-post rig. A 4-post rig picks up data that's been picked up on a journey, plugs into the rig and simulates the road conditions. So New Age are able to test every model that they bring out prior to releasing it to the factory. That is fantastic because what it means is that you as a purchaser can have peace of mind knowing that the model you get has done that. You're not the first one to purchase the model to be the test case to see what happens. New Age have taken care of that for you. Just another example of just how technological and advanced their building methods are. So make sure you get in here. I've talked about the product. All you've got to do is come in, check it out yourselves in our state-of-the-art, really great facilities. Speak to our expert salespeople. They'll give you everything you need to make the decision. And trust me, the decision that you need to make is a New Age because of the two things that I've talked about, the quality and the service that they provide for the lifetime of your caravan. Coming in guys, see the team. We're all welcoming you. I can't wait to see you.